Hi, welcome back VTechs. Today's video we will looking 5 useful extensions for programmers. Those extensions helps you to increase productivity and proper time management. Don't miss any part of this video. Let's get started. Before looking for the first one in the list, I will give all the extensions links on description, so you don't need to waste your time by searching those. First one on the list, BlackBox extension. It's a pretty cool extension for programmers. If you're watching a tutorial on YouTube, if you think, can I get this code without writing it down? You'll be amazed at what you can do with BlackBox. Yes, with BlackBox extension you can copy tutorial code with simple select and copy method. This is the fastest way to copy text from videos, images, PDFs, anything. It's pretty crazy, right? Comment your thoughts. Next, take a look at how you can install this extension on your browser. Click description box link or go directly into Google Web Store to install this extension. Just click Add to Brave here and add this on your browser. I'm using Brave browser, that's why it shows Brave. So, it depends on your browser. You can pin this on browser bar by clicking this pin icon. Now, simply sign up this with your Google account and start using it. Next one is in the list Window Resizer extension. Window Resizer extension is useful for checking your built website responsiveness. If you don't know responsive is simply an approach to web design that aims to make web pages render well on a variety of devices and window or screen sizes from minimum to maximum display size to ensure usability and satisfaction. Once install the extension, check responsiveness by selecting device size here. Next extension in the list same as Window Resizer. Not exactly same, but its purpose is the same. Also available more advanced features. Mobile Simulator extension helps you to check responsiveness with just one click. Very useful for testing a site by viewing a real-time device view. You can see here the devices demos available. Samsung, MacBook and many more. You can select and view how your website looks in those devices. So cool is it? I uses this in my web development journey. So you can too. Just install this, and click extension menu to use. Also it's have a pro plan to get more real-time screens. If those extensions helpful for you, please like the video. Also comment it down your favorite. Next one on the list, Walpolizer.com. With Walpolizer extension, you can identify technologies on websites and find out the technology stack of any website. Create lists of websites that use certain technologies, with company and contact details. Moreover, it's best way to reveal the technology stack any website, such as CMS, e-commerce platform, or payment processor, as well as company and contact details. Just install the extension and find what technologies they use and improve your knowledge. You can see here now, once I click Walpolizer extension it starts to show details. As you know, programming is always finding and learning process. Knowing those popular product technologies will help you build creative products and mindset. Also, you can view full details about specific technologies, trend chart, demographics, and many more. That's it for Walpolizer extension. Now we're going to see the final one of today's video, Web Developer extension. Install the extension and click Web Developer extension. Now you can see a pop-up bar to use web developer tools. You can view, edit, disable and use website features and codes. So, try it yourself by installing those. As I said, it is always helpful for your programming journey. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet the next one. Goodbye.